In this video, I will show you how to set a song for a specific contact on your Android phone. Let me show you how. Open up your dialer on your Android phone. Go ahead and choose a particular contact you want to set a specific song for. Go ahead and choose a specific contact you want to give a custom song. For that, I'm going to use this contact. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the icon from the forward of the icon, the contact. So next thing you want to do right here is going to open up like so. Go ahead and click on these three dots. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on set ringtone. Then here you go. You have different ringtone on your phone right here. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on add ringtone. So from here you can navigate to your file manager. So here we go. You have different ringtone that you can use in your home phone file manager right here. So go ahead and select anyone you want to use. Once you select, hit on done, and each time the number is calling you, the ringtone is going to be the custom and specific song you choose right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.